Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. In this video, we're going to analyze a potential stock which was on my watch list for a very long time. This is not a call, this is just an analysis video, and I would not be responsible for your profit or losses. So take this as an education, and probably you could just analyze a bit and take your own decision if you want. Before I explain you the stock, please make sure to like and also comment something so that it helps me with the algorithm. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel because there is going to be a lot of potential analysis video and you don't want to miss them. So click that bell icon as well. Let's get started. Hello guys, so the stock is none other than Star Cement, and you can see that the Star Cement has been on a sideways trend ever since the beginning, which is 2017 August. The all-time high is around 150 area. This is the channel pattern. You could see that there has been 1, 2, 3 resistance and 3 supports, a beautiful channel pattern which has been broken here, the good volume in weekly time frame. So all we have to do is wait for one more day, because when I'm recording this, which is on Thursday, tomorrow I want the market to end, and which is on Friday. Hopefully I'll be uploading this video tomorrow. Just wait for the strong close. It has to close right where it is right now. Anything above this area is completely fine, but it shouldn't have a wick or something like that. If there is a wick, be prepared for some kind of a consolidation here, because this is such a huge candle, right? Yeah, there are 2 things could happen, guys. It could go like rocket, or it could consolidate for 2 or 3 weeks or 4 weeks or even a month and then continue the trend. There is no clear formula that to know that okay, this is going to skyrocket. No, we only can anticipate the movement through technical analysis. So we can only manage the risk efficiently. So what am I going to do? My stop loss is going to be either this one or below this close. It's completely up to you. Depends on your risk appetite. Just wait for the tomorrow to end. The first target would be the all-time high, which is 150, and probably I think I'll close half there. I mean, I haven't taken a position yet. I'll wait for tomorrow and see if my fund is there. To be honest, my fund is fully utilized. Probably, let's see, tomorrow probably at least some 3-4 lakhs I'll invest, I guess. I don't know. I'm just waiting for this stock to end tomorrow, and based on that I'll be taking up a call. So I recommend you to do the same. Do not take this trade just because I posted it. Tomorrow it can fall and create a wick. If there is a wick at the top, it means there is a selling pressure and it may go down. So please be aware that don't go huge. Follow risk management. Even after having some 80 to 90% accuracy, I still follow risk management, because if I am wrong one time, my entire capital will go blow off, right? So I don't want that to happen, and that is why not only me, everyone who has been very successful, even them, I mean the top dogs of the stock market, even they follow risk management. So that tells you that nothing is certain. So follow risk management. And what else? Yeah, I mean, the analysis is very simple, guys. I don't use anything, and I just measure my risk. If it is minimal, I'll just go for the trade, and I just look for the strong close and the breakout of the channel pattern. I don't use any other thing. That is more than enough for you, and that is how I've been trading for the last 5 years. I mean, not 5 years. This technique at least 3 years, and I've been pretty successful, and you don't need any other thing. If you have also, guys, Godfrey, which I recommended I think 2 months back, right? Before this, after this breakout, I recommended it, right? So some 30%, 35% more, guys. And the people who traded from JFT community, I think I posted this here exactly. It went up 60%. So the JFT equity members have already made 3 to 4 times the course fee in just one stock, and we trade multiple stocks like this every month, and you know the potential, right? So probably the fee that I charge for both the courses are very minimal. Let me just show you another example of what we did in JFT option community. Today, this morning, I posted this on our option community, Bank Nifty, a wonderful breakout in 1 hour, and you can see that this is the profits from my members: 11,000, 46,000, 22,000. Understand that this is just one trade, guys. This is today's trade, okay? 28,000, and I charge very less, only half of this for 6 months. You should understand the value, and whatever you pay you will learn and gain everything. And if you want to get better in trading, join our community, learn from the videos, and then practically learn and earn from the community. That is what I would suggest. Yeah, pretty much it, guys. Godfrey is also looking good. Star Cement, let me go back to Star Cement again. I'm just checking if there is anything to be considered. I mean, it's very simple, guys. It is a channel breakout, and as I said, it's better to keep the stop loss here, which is 101, and it is also better to keep a stop loss here, which is totally dependent on how you manage your risk. Me personally, I would still wait for tomorrow and see how this all ends. And I don't know anything about its fundamentals. In fact, I just came to know that a stock like this exists. I was just going through a lot of stocks and I came across this, which was interesting. And to be honest, we are a little bit late. Probably if I had seen this stock yesterday, I don't know how I missed it. Probably if I had found this stock here, I would have entered. I wouldn't have been waiting for the weekly close, because my stop loss is very minimal, right? I can keep my stop loss here, which is this one. This area would have been a great stop loss, minimal stop loss, and my target would have been this easy 1:2 or 1:3 trade, but I missed it. Now the momentum seems to be good, so let's wait for the week to end, and it could skyrocket, guys, or it could consolidate. So be prepared for both. And sometimes what happens is not every stock goes up like Godfrey. So I want you to understand that Rajan suggested it, and definitely it's going to skyrocket 30-40% in 2 months. No, sometimes there are still stocks on my holdings which has taken a consolidation for 2 months, and I'm still holding it because it has neither hit my stop loss nor my target. So I'm just holding. Trades like that could be little frustrating, but at the same time you should stick to the rules, because you have to wait for 2 months, and then in next 5 days it will move 30-40%. So that's how the game is, and you should be prepared for everything. So I hope you understood. Okay, and if you want a similar potential stock analysis video like this, I want you to like this video and get this 10k likes at least for this video, and comment something so that it helps my algorithm. Something randomly, anything is fine. Yeah, that would be all. Thank you so much for watching this video with patience, and see you soon again.